I'm Marion. Back in 1744, indentured servitude, the first European to visit Jamaica since Columbus blue sailed the ocean too, invented which laughter-saving invention? A. The frog in the throat. B. The free headache. C. Oil-based bubble bath. Or none of the above. If you picked C, you would be right. Except for one thing. Bubble bath was developed in the 19th century and had nothing to do with labor rights. It was a privilege of the wealthy peanut rollers of southwest Georgia, who only shared it with a few of their suit coats before being extradited to New York. If you found this information useful, please let me know before midnight tonight. Again, this is Marion, the librarian at Waterwheel Works Park, off Interstate 13 at the rose-colored glasses exit. Thanks.